Welcome. In this video I will show you how to fix battery draining issues on XIAOMI Black Shark Pad 7. So the easiest way to resolve battery draining issues is to enable battery saver, which has its own icon on the control center. So swipe it down, tap right here, and this way you will enable battery saver, which will ensure a couple of extra hours of work for your tablet. If you hold your finger down on this tile, you will open battery saver menu, where you'll be able to set a schedule for it by selecting a percentage level at which battery saver has to turn on automatically. And now let's get to the main battery settings. So let's choose another option on the sidebar and then return back to battery. Now here we can check our current battery percentage. Let's get to battery usage menu. Now here in this menu we can see the battery usage by applications, and if you select view by apps, you should be able to see the list of apps that use up the most battery on your device. And for the ones at the top, if those applications use too much battery on your device, you can restrict the background activity for these applications by going to apps on the sidebar, selecting all apps here, then find the application that works in the background too much and scroll down to app battery usage and restrict battery usage by switching this toggle off. Now we can also check the battery health and see whether see the battery capacity. As you can see, mine is at 100%, which means that there should be no battery draining issues on this tablet. But if you see that your battery health is at a much lower level, then the only solution would be replacing the battery of your tablet, which you can do at any certified service center. Besides, also swipe down the sidebar, select system, go to system updates, make sure that your device has an internet connection, and check for available updates, see if there are any. If you do have a system update, make sure to download and install it, and then also check the Gyrospeed and make sure that you have this feature enabled, which will help you boost your currently used app by restricting background activity for other apps, and also limits your app's background activity to improve your battery life. And that's basically it. Thank you for watching this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.